What is SEO, or also known as search engine optimization? Well, that's the art and the science of getting your website found in the search engines. And typically we call this organic results, meaning that you're not paying to show up. So by putting keywords and having backlinks where other websites link to your website, showing up in directories, having the same name, address, and phone number, having press releases where you're doing a news story in a newspaper, or maybe in a magazine. Maybe you've written a book, or maybe you have links on social media pointing to your website. All these things can adjust and affect where you show up in the search engines. And now, of course, we have AI, and we have ChatGPT and Copilot and all these other AI systems where now we're getting into AI optimization. So it's almost like AI SEO. Okay, so we kind of talk about like a little bit of what SEO is. So how does it work for you and your business? Well, a lot of times when you go to a website, up in the browser, it'll say like your company name and maybe a product or service. When you're searching in on Google or Apple, and you're looking in the search results, does it say like home? Like for your homepage, does it say like home and then like a slash or bar, and then it says your company name? Those are areas where we can do SEO. So it could be on-page SEO, where we're changing titles and we're putting keywords in your text. Could be off-page SEO, like getting backlinks to your website. All these things go into the equation for the search engines, and based on that, they help you get found in the search engines. Now, there's ethical SEO, where people will do things to the book and as ethical as possible. There's also people that do bad SEO, where they'll do a lot of manipulation to help you rank online. And sometimes it works great. Sometimes there's clients that we work with that we see their competitors and they're ranking very well, but then they get hit by a Google penalty and then they never get found. And then our client moves up because they're doing things ethically. Okay. So there's always a different way to do that. So again, SEO in a nutshell is really just making sure that your website is getting found in the search engines without having to pay for them. Please make sure you check out the other videos here. And if you have any questions, make sure you reach out to me at coloradowebimpressions.com or give me a call at 719-419-3935.